Guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a few weeks again. We really don't have a lot, but we're actually just going to go take the car out for a cruise. So we're not going to yap. Let's just get right to it. We're back, and when I did all the weather stripping, there was one corner that I cut. These are actually supposed to be riveted onto the car, and I went, these clips, it's never going to come off. Rob, did it come off?
No, yeah, it came off.
Yeah, it was kind of sticking up like this. So the really unfun part about this is you have to take the whole door panel off again and in order to put it back on the car. Anyways, that's probably going to be a project. I won't bore you with the video because there's so many videos of it anyways. I actually did discover, though, that somebody before me has been inside at least this door panel. I believe mice chewed some of the wires because there's some connections in there that shouldn't have been there from factory, and well, the actual door handle that this side has, that wasn't even bolted to the door like it's supposed to be. It was just kind of flipping in the breeze. I always wonder why the door panel seemed a little loose. So, well, glasses flip around in there. I will say, though, that since we've had a lot of time with the new weather stripping, it actually is sitting quite nicely now. You're not supposed to take these type of cars through a car wash because the OptiSpark is like the biggest fail point on the LT1s. I did it through touchless. I ended up finding that it does still leak a little bit up here in the corners. But for anybody who doesn't know, this is a 1993 Chevy Corvette 40th anniversary. I bought the car this October. Will be 2 years since I've owned the car. It's only got 43, it's almost 44,000 miles now. I bought it with just under 42,000 miles, so I really haven't put a lot of miles on it since I got it. It does have the famous dog delete, wink wink, and then obviously the Corsa exhaust, cold air intake, but other than that, I really don't know what other modifications this car's had done to it, because I think I'm like the 9th owner on this thing. Not really sure. I think the transmissions had work done on it, because it seems to shift at some pretty good points. But that's pretty much going to be a wrap for this. In the next video, you guys will see where the place I had the truck, the body work done on it, everybody's been complaining to me when I talk to them on my phone that it sounds like the microphone's a million miles away from me. So yesterday I took the time to tear everything apart, pull the headliner down enough to get up in there, and I found that, yeah, they didn't put the microphone back on right. But then I also found that the overhead unit where the map lights and the OnStar buttons all are, they broke it, and their fix was to super glue it back together and then run a screw up through it. But yet they're supposed to be building it to GM specs. So needless to say, that wasn't a great phone call that the body shop received from me, and I would give them 1 star, and I will probably never go to them again because between the body shop and the service, I'll never go down there. I don't know. They talked about maybe sending me the part, and I'll just put it back together, but there's also some wiring issues in there, so we'll see. I don't know if that's going to be the next video, but you're going to have to come back to see what we do next, because right now we're doing everything by the seat of our pants because we really don't have a ton of content going on right now because I've been trying to find a project vehicle. I've been unable to locate anything reasonable yet. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Rob, what else?
Leave a comment.
And?
Share the video with a friend.
And?
Have the bell notifications.
Yes?
Oh, and subscribe.
Well, we already said that. Okay, whatever. Listen, if you want to see us two goofballs again, you better come back for the next video.
Oh, and tell us in the comment section what your favorite car is.
Rob, what's your favorite car?
Chevy Camaro.
It is?
I like the one from Transformers, Bumblebee, you know.
I've known him for over 30-something years, and I guess I didn't know that about him. I learned something new today. You know what my favorite car is?
I don't.
It's Corvette. All right, well, we'll catch you in the next one. Whoa, get right up in my face. Hi. Oh, my cameraman sometimes. What am I going to do with him? In the next video, you guys will get to maybe see, I don't know, I might get... We're going to cut that part out. Rob's going to fix it.